নমস্কার, এক ফোনে বাংলায় আপনাদের সকলকে স্বাগত। আপনাদের সঙ্গে রয়েছে আমি জুনেলা। সুপ্রিম কোর্টে এসআইআর সংঘাত। সুপ্রিম কোর্টে নিজেই সওয়াল মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর। বাংলাকে টার্গেট, রাজ্যকে বুলডোজ করছে কমিশন। সুপ্রিম কোর্টে মানুষের অধিকার রক্ষার আর্জি মমতার। সোমবার এসআইআর মামলার পরবর্তী শুনানি।
Today, in your petition, some additional issues are being flagged. Absolutely right. Issues are being flagged. So we must look toward the solution in order to ensure that no innocent citizen is left out because of the local dialect. This all because nowadays AI assisted computerization, that you are speaking Datta and they are recording something else. If this kind of things are happening, we will find out a solution. They will have to find out that by virtue of this kind of mistake, the genuine and bona fide person must not be excluded.
That their SIR process is only for deletion, not for inclusion. Mismatch not only the title, sir. Mismatch, mismap, unplanned. Now suppose a daughter after marriage, she go to the in-laws house. Now why she's changed her title? Why she's using the husband's name, husband's title? That is also mismatch.
It can't be.
Yes, sir, they have done it, sir. Number two, sir, there are some daughters who married and shifted the in-laws house. They are now also just unilaterally deleted. It is just because they shifted their houses. Sir, you will appreciate sometimes some people work some office, they go to be, they transferred other offices, they work somewhere. Sometimes the poor people, they purchase the flats, they shifted their addresses, but they are the genuine people are staying there. But because of the name of logical discrepancy, now they change the name. No, instead of logical discrepancy, when you gave order, sir, they violated, and they say it is a discrepancy mapping. Sir, can they even violate your order? Number two, sir, we are grateful. Bengal people are so happy that this court gave order that Aadhaar card will be one of the proof documents. But they said no, with Aadhaar card. Sir, in other state, sir, the domicile certificate is allowed. Sir, the family registered card is allowed. Sir, the government housing card is allowed. The health card is allowed. The bank books means whatever caste certificate is allowed. Only they targeted Bengal on the eve of election. Sir, 4 state opposition state are going for on the eve of election. But why after 24 years, what was the hurry to do it? What it takes 2 years, only within 3 months, even when the festival season is there, when the harvesting season is there, when people are not in a mood to be in the city, they were in the outside, but they are traveling, and that time they issued the notices and all this. Sir, more than 100 people died, sir. Can you imagine? Sir, BLOs died, and they have written the letter that CEO is responsible for my committing suicide. So many BLOs are murdered, they died, and also more than 150 people died, and so many are hospitalized. Sir, because of the harassment of the people,
It is they
because of Bengal is targeted, sir. Sir, you tell me why not Assam? Sir, why not Assam?
the state government. We cried foul, saying that
Why not Assam?
any cooperation. They say
Why not Northeastern?
About the Aadhaar card, this matter about SIR's validity issue. SIR's validity issue is being argued before us from last more than 2 months. In the main judgment, which was the first case, we have reserved the judgment. Therefore, we are not in a position to comment with regard to the credibility, credential, or admissibility, and to what extent about the Aadhaar card. That issue has been argued before us. We have reserved the judgment. Second, you have pointed out this issue of the discrepancies part. In this case, one way out can be that you give a team of officers. The Election Commission can take them on deputation, in the sense that those can also be part of the Election Commission team, verify that here it is a spelling mistake, or it is only because of the local dialect that this mistake is occurring. Those must be rectified. We will grant them 1 day time.
ERO has no power now. They have superseded all the power from DO, ERO, BLRO. Only they have appointed. See, 8,300 micro observer and the roll observer from the BJP ruled state, so that DO cannot clear the name. It is all micro observer can delete all the names sitting inside the election commission office through AI. Sir, earlier 58 lakhs are being deleted. Even they were not allowed to file Form 6. Sir, earlier first phase, 58 lakhs deleted. There so many people are alive, and now they are being declared by that they are their death. Sir, the anti-women, so many women.
We will direct every document will have to be signed by the BLO, who are the authorized officers and who are the authorized notified officers.
Micro observer is the final authority. Election commission, WhatsApp commission.
complete
WhatsApp
from-
commission is saying
Have a look at-
it is only the micro observer. Only they are deleting all the names. They are all government of India officials.
Lord, in one of the matters, government is a party. Lord, let
But the problem is that they are not allowing the people.
the matter
They are not allowing the
Legal domain.
state officials.
possibly for most of the submit.
They are not allowing the domicile certificate.
So day after,
They are not allowing the government certificate.
We have written several letters to the state government to give us Group B, Lord, the class 2 officers of the rank of SDM or equivalent, so that, my Lord, EROs can be appointed. That's the standard pattern. They have given, my Lord, only about 80 officers of that rank. Rest, all of them were given who were clerks and below, who were working under the pressure of the state government. Therefore, we had to appoint, my Lord, micro observers who can assist, my Lord, in case, my Lord, they are in the confusion. These micro observers are validly appointed under Section 13C, read with 3.
No, there is no statutory rules.
The state is not cooperating, then there's no alternative except to appoint the observers who can assist. Class 3 officers from Anganwadi and so on, they are being given to us.
we have been extending time. We have been extending time. We have been-
May I tell you, sir?
Whatever they have pointed out
my
and my-
opponent lawyers raised.
Is that-
Sir, that is not correct.
Madam-
That is not correct, sir.
Madam Mamta, we have no doubt about the ability of Mr. Diwan. He is one of the best senior counsel you have chosen. Your point we have well taken.
Sir, it depends on some district,
Kindly-
some states, sir.
Give us the-
We are suppose 44 district. We have 23 district. Now SGM is depends on the district wise. Now whatever we have the strength, we have included all.
Alright.
We are cooperating to them
Are you
all.
prepared- are you
Micro.
prepared to provide class 2 group?
Yes, we have given, sir. Whatever they ask,
Alright.
we have given. But they are telling
All right, please.
what I don't believe.
I think we will be able to find out a practical solution.
Very well.
On Monday, when we take up this matter, we are granting them 2 days time to have instructions based upon all the notes and information which you have gathered.
Very well.
And you also on Monday, please give us the list of the Group B officers which you are in a position to spare
Yes.
and to provide to them.
Sir, only my last submission, sir. Sir, what about they have only first phase 58 lakhs deleted. They didn't have any scope to appeal even Form 6. Number 2, the second phase, 1 crore 30 lakhs. Only my request would be, whatever the system is maintaining the other state, they are only targeting Bengal. Only for Bengal, they appointed these micro observers.
Not the
This
forum
is-
military.
Yes,
plate-
for to bulldoze the West Bengal people. Sir, my humble submission will be, sir, the logical discrepancy case not to be deleted, and there should be, as it is, it should be cleared by the DO and the ERO, not with the micro observer, not with the roll observers.
Yes.
Probably, once the officers are made available,
Yes.
then micro observer will not be required.
Not be necessary.
There might be some mistake. Please, you tell your officers also to be a little bit sensitive.
We'll examine, Millet.
Don't issue notice
Let's-
to persons like.
Can you
embarrassment.
where
Please protect the people's rights.